Today I'm going to take a look at PACTware. So for all of my or most of my work in life, I've used Somatic PDM, which is a cracking software package. But one of the issues that I had was how complicated it was to install. I have used PACTware before, but not in anger. So I'm going to start today with what's impressed me straight away is how quickly it installs. It's not a real fair comparison to start off with, because this is not installing a massive library, but even the main software package that it installs to get you up and going on HART instruments is quite impressive. So here is the link for the PACTware. I'll put this in the chat below, and underneath you have all different options. I did try downloading the Vega one, and it may have been me, it may be an error I made, so please don't take this as gospel, but I had issues with the hard driver, so I've gone with the Pop and Router version. They're all different versions, just badged up with different manufacturers. So when you click on that, you get this home page, and you're able to download the software packages there below. So I've gone for the full version, so 505, and obviously in English, because my German, sorry to say this, isn't that great. So once you've downloaded it, you will get the zip file. You can obviously browse via zip, but to really install it, you need to unzip it. So over here you get the install and what I'm going to run. So these are your files. So what I'm going to do is that on this screen, let's just see if I can get this running. I'm going to start a stopwatch to see how quick it takes to install this software package. So here we go. So as you can see, I've just got one button to press to finish the installation. Everything was pretty much standard as you go through the installation. There was an option to click that you accept the license agreement, and other than that, not too much to ask. And you can see here 25 seconds. If I click finish, I now get this message, and I'll just show you quickly the two icons. So I'm not too sure what this version is. I'm guessing this is the sort of compact version, and this is the full version. As I said, it hasn't installed any huge license or library onto this at the moment. But if you're just using it to configure a one-off instrument, it's relatively easy, and I'll put this on another video to add a device. But if we have a look at this compact version, I think that's what it's called. But let's just have a quick gander at what this is doing. So once it's opened, I got this type of wizard arrangement. So if I click on Start, add a new device, I have all of my different communication options down here. I'll investigate some of these Bluetooth options at a later date, but predominantly I use this with a HART communicator. So there I haven't got my HART modem programmed in. Preambles, I'll cover what those are on another video. When you start to understand the HART commands, you'll understand what the preamble is. And here it looks like it's going to do some sort of scan. So even if I have multi-drop, it looks like I can set my scan range. This is quite a nice feature, your timeout. I'm not too sure whether that's on Somatic Manager or PDM. It wasn't on version 9.1, this timeout, which was a little bit of a pain when you were trying to do a secondary master. So that's quite a nice feature. So I'll go away, I'll find a device, find my HART modem, and show you how to start configuring some instruments with PACTware. Thanks for listening. As per usual, if you like what you see, please click on the like button and the bell to receive future notifications. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you soon.